Welcome back, everybody. We're going to do the final test. You can see everything. The gear comes out. New contacts in the back of it. I've rebuilt the starter completely. Let's see if it works. Oh yeah. Absolutely. And there it is. 235 to 216, 1947 to 1953 starter. Completely rebuilt, all new contacts, everything all back together, re-greased, gear, solenoid, everything. There you go. Thank you very much for watching. I'm trying to figure out how I can actually record me redoing it, but obviously this is the best I can do for the moment. I hope you like the videos. Thank you.